guys! Today I'm going to make a butterfly with real leaves. So let's start. So let's put the leaves under the paper.
Make sure you keep the soft side below and hard side of the leaf on the top. Now adjust the leaf. You can use any types of leaf for making a butterfly or any kind of drawing. This is leaf rubbing activity.
So now let's rub it.
See how the lines and the design of the leaf is coming up on the paper.
Yeah.
Do it slowly and gently. No need to be harsh on the paper or leaf.
Okay. Now just pretty.
Kids enjoy innovative activities.
Now the leaf rubbing is done. Now we can take out the leaf. Okay, now let's color the butterfly. So the butterfly is done.
Now you can also use different shapes of leaves. You can stick it to make it more attractive, or you can also do rubbing.
I'll continue with my activity. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.